Okay, so what I got here is a 2023 Kawasaki Brute Force 750. This is the one that I fixed up. It was in an accident, but pretty much straightened it up. And I sold my other one. Sold my other ATV because I decided I'm going to keep this one. But this one needs some upgrades, so it doesn't have a winch, and it's a must. So we're going to put a winch right in there. I got a 4,000 pound ATV winch that I took off my trailer, and it's basically hooked the red and black up to the battery, and the other line, this is your in and out, and you put this to your handlebar. Then I got this Kawasaki Brute Force winch mount. Comes with the hooks and the plate, and I'm gonna put the plate in here. And I think the first thing I gotta do is take off this skid plate. So take this off, and we'll get this started. So I'm gonna wanna have access to the battery. So take that seat off. We got access to the battery right here. We got the red and black. And we got space to run the wires in. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm bolts. Those are removed. And the skid plate is off. What I did with the winch is basically take this fair lead off. It's just the winch by itself. And this plate already has the holes. So it looks like it mounts right into the holes. And then these holes in the front, I'll take this off from the bracket, and that will bolt right into the front. Basically, I could take the plate and just slide it in, and I'm gonna have to put a U-bolt through that bar and a U-bolt through that side, and one on each side here, one there, and then that will secure that. That will secure the plate, and then I can mount the winch onto the plate. The winch could come in from the side. Slide right on there. I can put the holes in from the bottom, and then this will bolt right up here. So let's get this all bolted up. So I know I can get the winch in from the side. I'm going to put the U-bolts in here, right around the frame, right here, and these two. So the U-bolts, I'm going to have to come in from around the frame and back in, like this. Back in like that. And these ones will go up and in like this. That will hold the plate to the frame. Basically on each one I'm going to put a washer and a locking bolt. Just like this. So these bolts look kind of long. I hope it's not going to be hitting the winch, because if it does, that means I'm going to have to trim it. Alright, so it's on pretty solid. Next step, let's try to get this winch in. Alright, no issues with the bolts. I'll just line this thing up and bolt her up. I just tighten these up. Okay, next up, put this through here and bolt this to this right on here. Let's put the hook on. Now you can start taking the wires and routing them to where they need to go. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna want to try to stay along this frame and zip tie the wires along this frame here, follow it up and go all the way out here and into this section where I can hook up to the battery and put the solenoid here. Black zip ties, just go all along. I got it. Okay, so I got the power line coming right along the frame, zip tied. Now we're going to go to the solenoid, red and black. Now we got these two leads, red and black. We're going to connect to our battery. To black and red. Okay, so we got the black and red hooked up. In and out should work. In and out. So now we got a hardest part was getting those little nuts in the battery to put that in, to tighten those bolts up. But now this, I'm gonna have to mount this somewhere around there. This is a temporary spot. It's supposed to be right here by the thumb, but I don't have a bracket for that right now, so I'm just gonna use that bracket here and put it around this handlebar and just fish this wire through, make it come in the same way as the battery wire underneath through the frame and to the solenoid. So plug this back in, tighten that up, do a little test. We're going to want to mount this solenoid somewhere where it's not going to touch any metal. I want to wrap this thing up in electrical tape so this doesn't touch anything by accident. Okay, so I got the solenoid screwed in here and I got all this wire. I gotta try to roll this up, lay it down and let it fit under the seat. Let's try that. Alright, so I got these wires pretty much laid out. I just zip tied them, spread them out so they're not all bunched up and the seat can still go on. Let's try to get the seat on. seat fits. A little test. Good. Alright, we got the winch installed. The plate to fair lead and the winch inside. Just got it set up here for now.